In my last video, I demonstrated how you can calculate collated and uncollated numbering lists. If you're just joining in, check the previous video. Collated is a block of data that goes from 1 to 3, 1 to 3, etc. And uncollated is the repeating of the same set of data. Today, I will show you a practical way on applying collated and uncollated lists using this table. We will start by converting hours to single column using tocall like this. And it will give me a series of columns and hours. Now let's work with the days. We're going to start off with sequence. I have a total of 35 data here. 7 times 5 is 35. I will just make that dynamic by using rows list of sequential numbers, 0 to 34. We want to start with number 0 instead of 1. So what we have to do is we're going to say that sequence, one column, starting with 0. And then it will give you a number starting from 0 all the way to 34. Now, to convert this into a collated list, what you have to do is to embed this sequence with mod and basically divide that by, say, 3, so that it can give you 0 to 2, 0 to 2. It's a sequence of 3 numbers. Now, if you want to start this by 1, just plus 1 like we demonstrated in my previous video, and then you will start from 1 to 3, 1 to 3, to make it the index for the day of the month. So, we'll do an index function here. The first argument would be the day of the week. Comma, the output from the mod, close parenthesis, and hit enter. We will have Monday to Wednesday. I will change 3 to 7, then it will run from Monday to Sunday, Monday to Sunday. Now to work with name, we're going to use the same sequence function, which is going to give us 1 to 35 numbers like before. What we want in our name is to appear Amaka for the first 7 days and Femi for the next 7 days. This is an uncollated list. To do that, you're going to start off by dividing by 7, but this will produce decimal numbers. That's why it looks a bit weird. So, to get a correct index itself, all you have to do is to encapsulate the sequence with a roundup function with 0 decimal place, and it'll give you a repetition of 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2 every 7 days. Uncollated list of names. This is going to be our index for the name. So, we're going to encapsulate our roundup function with index function, and the first argument will be the list of names, comma, and the output for the roundup, close parenthesis, and hit enter. And there you go. This is one of the examples when you can use collated and uncollated listing. That's it.